welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to bake chicken drumsticks for our dinner, and the oven is already ready for 425 Fahrenheit, and all what I need are chicken drumsticks. In my recipe I need 6 pieces, but because it's only me and my husband and Shelby will be eating, so I only have to make 4 pieces of chicken drumsticks. I set my tray and I put a rack in it so that the fats can just drip, and also the heat will just be circulating and it helps to cook my chicken. I also my ingredients are black pepper, sea salt, garlic powder. I should need paprika, but I don't have paprika right now, so I use Cajun spice. I researched what is the replacement for paprika, and it should be a chili powder, but I don't have one also, so I'll just try this one. I also need half cup of melted butter. So what I'm gonna do first is to dry the chicken. Fry the chicken and arrange it that way. According to the recipe, it's really good and crispy. So let's see what happened. There you go. Okay, bring that away. So first, it's dry already. So brush the butter into the chicken. Brush. You need half tablespoon of sea salt. Sprinkle it to the chicken. Half tablespoon of garlic powder, garlic will improve the taste of the chicken, guys. One full tablespoon of black pepper, and half tablespoon of Cajun spice. But my husband doesn't like spicy food, so I just have to use 1/4 teaspoon of this spice. To bake it. Hi guys! Ito na ang aking baked drumsticks. It looks like really good. This would be our dinner. Let's go! Tikman na natin. See ya!